आफ्टरनून में हमें वो मूवमेंट नजर आई, बट हमें वेपन नहीं नजर आया था. बट इट वॉज अ सस्पिशियस मूवमेंट. लोग आए और हम 6-6:30 बजे के खाना वाना खा के, देन वी कुड सी इन द नाइट विजन्स दैट they went at around 8:30 back once it was dark. So as a commander, I made a plan that we should sit it over. Now the issue was that I and my buddy were not carrying that kind of weapons. No, rations to chalo we would have still managed, but to engage. So at night we changed it with a long range weapon which we had, and I called the other two guys close to me so that they can engage it from where they could get a particular pot shot. Again in the morning, nothing happened. Again in the evening, on the sixth day, we saw the movement. And this time because हमारा सरप्राइज था, एंड हम लोग पूरा नीचे उतर के ब्रिज क्रॉस करके, जो लकड़ी का ब्रिज था, ऊपर जाते तो हमारा सरप्राइज लॉस हो जाता. बिकॉज देवर विलेज डॉग्स, देवर विलेज स्कूल, यानी कि बच्चे बच्चे खेल रहे थे. तो हमें मालूम था कि हम अगर वो अपनी जगह को छोड़ देंगे तो फिर हम पकड़े जाएंगे. सो वी वेटेड, एंड sixth evening, this time the militants came with the weapon out in the open. There were two guys only. एक उनका आगे scout था, that was a civilian guide who was there with them. And this time they were like complacent कि अब इधर फौज नहीं है. So we took out them. What we did was that जो हमारा squad which was below, which was far behind, we told them to cross the river from the other end, move it towards that side, so that in case it happens, तो हम उनके exit routes block कर सकें. We moved it, and it moved it during the night only. उन्होंने अपनी positions change कर ली थी. So once the militants came inside, they just went inside, and for some time, one of the guys came out in the open, and he was standing, because वो double story building type थी, नीचे cattle थी, ऊपर it was a summer residence only, but ढोक जिसको कहते हैं.
Right.
And he was there and standing on top with his weapon. So we had the first guy took him out with a single bullet with a sniper. And वो militant हमने उधर डाउन किया. जैसे ही वो डाउन हुआ, the next guy came out and he started firing from inside. So we knew that he doesn't know where the fire has come from. The moment he came onto the window, we shot him again. So we killed two on that day. So that was like luck, perseverance, everything culminates into it. But that is how you have to do it. There's no other way. And it was a clean operation. हमारी कोई casualties नहीं थी. We were all safe. And the best part is that we didn't spend not more than 4 or 5 rounds we fired, and we killed two guys. So that is a great achievement when we talk of operations. Otherwise, people fire a lot and everything happens. So it was a clean-cut operation, and two guys I think so they were Lashkar-e-Taiba foreign terrorists, so we killed them. Yeah, that's what.
Wow, but you know what takes me aback is, like, imagine 6 din.
Yeah.
You are just stationed, 12 people,
No
not
movement, yeah.
moving. So at one point you're talking about, oh, paramilitary forces, itty excitement, but at the other end you have to have that patience
You have to have the patience.
and that resilience and that determination कि आप बस
Absolutely,
एक ही जगह बैठे हुए हो
You can't move even if
without
you have
movement.
if you go for nature call, or you have to piss also, just turn your side, do it and sit. You cannot do anything. If you move a little bit, and अगर आपका सरप्राइज खत्म हो गया ऐसे
Right.
ऑपरेशंस में, and majority of the time special forces, people ask कि what does special forces do different? Special forces doesn't do different things. It just sticks to the basic, but very very good at basics. Whole army and wherever the operatives are, special forces सब सरप्राइज की तरफ ध्यान देते हैं.
Right.
The surprise means कि you are like dead guys, just watching and observing, not moving, not even for that matter, your telescopic sights, everything is garnished. You are like just ground for that. So sometimes I've seen people coming so close to you and just standing on top of you. They don't know that the guy is sitting over there. That is craft. That takes dedication. That is what I tell to people in civil or any other street. If you want to draw lessons, you should be, that is what I call trade craft. That is true blue trade craft. Getting into that. That requires practice, that requires dedication. Even go in civil, if you're a stock market expert or whatever you are, You need to be there, like really practicing it every single
You know,
day.
and doing nothing
Yeah,
takes a lot
lot
more
of time.
courage,
Yeah, yeah.
guts. मतलब अगर हम बैठे बैठे all of us are so used to कुछ नहीं कर रहे, फोन उठा लिया,
फोन उठा ली,
स्क्रॉल कर
you
लिया.
can't do all these things.
Like
Yeah.
it's so hard for us to just be patient. And I think that is again
That is what it is. You save on your rations, you save on your batteries, because communication is यानी अगर आपका communication out हो गया, you have to come do a quick call, then keep radio silence. So this is all tradecraft. You can't have much, whatever there is in the pocket, just remove it at night. You do something, eat, just let. So keep on staying with it. And that was a. There are many operations which we do, and that was one of the good operations. So we eliminated not many, but then two guys. But then it it showed patience, resilience, determination. जितने भी qualities you can
absolutely
draw lessons from military operations to civil life.
to civilize.
So it was a quite well conducted operation. Yeah.
I mean, you've also faced bullets.
Yeah.
Right, I've heard कि जो आपके podcast में that you've
Yeah.
actually faced 30 bullets.
Yeah.
What is your mindset at that point of time? And you know, like in my head, I'm thinking at that point, are you trying to survive? Do you think about surrendering? Do you want to escape? Or do you just want to fight back and kill the other person? You know, what goes off in your mind when this is happening, and how do you get through it?
सबसे important चीज जो है वो है कि the guy who fired 30 rounds at me was closer than what you are sitting. He was like over here. So the point is that he opened up. That time you don't have. It is uh, the concept of muscle memory. So he was like that standing and my face was tilted. मैं इधर को देख रहा था तो मेरा weapon, मेरा जो natural alignment था with my weapon, I checked the underneath area. Then I turned back. कई बार आपको ऐसे पेरिफेरल विजन में लगता है कि कोई खड़ा हुआ है.
Right.
तो मैं पूरा टर्न कर चुका था, पूरा नहीं पर मैं I was like this halfway पीछे. So I just looked at this guy standing and he opens up. So I also opened up the fire, but my bullets went in this direction. It could have never hit him because I was not in the angle only on firing. So जो पहला lessons learned है कि जो आपने जितनी भी ट्रेनिंग की है वो it should culminate into at least firing properly. At least I fired back. I didn't freeze. बाकी जो रिएक्शन है कि क्या सोच रहे थे क्या नहीं किया, बिकॉज उसके बाद मैंने अपने बडी को, मेरे को आई रिमेंबर दिस मच बिकॉज इट ऑल हैपेंस इन 3-4 seconds में हो जाता है. इट डजंट टेक मच टाइम. 4-5 seconds इज मैक्सिमम. आई पुट माई बडीज हैंड एंड वी pushed out. There was a window behind us. We fell 10-12 feet down. He lobbed a grenade. Those splinters are still in my leg. And then whole night, because my buddy was more injured, so उसको evacuate कर दिया था. But then one guy tried to run. We shot him in the window. There were two guys inside. तो एक को हमने विंडो पे मार दिया था. वो दूसरा जो मेन बंदा था, वो जिसने मेरे को फायर किया था, वो पूरी रात ही फायर्ड. तो मेरे इसमें चोट थी एंड इट वाज मंथ ऑफ समवेयर इन नवंबर. सो जब आपके अंदर ग्रेनेड के स्प्लिंटर्स जाते हैं तो वो जैसे आई मेड लॉट ऑफ टैटूज. जब आप टैटूज बनाते हो और एक वो जो नीडल्स का जो दर्द होता है उसको आप 10 times एम्पलीफाई कर दो, सो इट कीप्स ऑन हर्टिंग. So inside. So there's there's nothing more, because at that point of time, because your body is warm and you start realizing that you have been hit somewhere, but it is not that pain, but it is taking. The main aim of human being is to survive at that moment. Yeah. फिर धीरे धीरे फिर आप you are firing also, your mental faculties are aligned towards that. So couple of days, और जब वो इंसिडेंट खत्म होता है उसके बाद देन यू स्टार्ट कि अच्छा ये मेरे को डैमेज हुआ है एट द हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट इन दैट नाइट, बिकॉज दैट गाय ही ट्राई टू रन ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. सो उसने 2-3 कैटल और गाय को बाहर निकाला, तो आई हैड टू शूट द कैटल. देयर वाज नो अदर ऑप्शन बिकॉज आई could not let him go. In the morning, when we had reinforcements, we blew the house and he died. But the point is, at night, nobody else could come closer because I could not call anyone close to me, only because वो फायर करता तो किसी को कैजुअलिटी हो सकती. तो इट्स वन एंड he and me for the whole night. So now it was my lucky day. I say, मैं बोलता हूँ कि भगवान पे विश्वास होना चाहिए. It was my lucky day that day. I could have been shot on the first, in the first, the first burst of fire when the first bullets were fired. I could have got killed, but That is how we are having this conversation today. And that
Insane.
is luck. So you cannot overtly say ki luck doesn't matter. But it is, yeah. If you have the lessons drawn as your will to survive is always has to be of the highest order.
Right.
आपको लाइफ में कभी चाहे पैसा आ जाए चले जाए, डेथ आ जाए चले जाए, होप कभी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. Hope is keeps you afloat.
Right.
These are universal principles, whether it's a soldier or a educator like you. So I think so. That is how it survives. It keeps on going.
In the face of it, in the face of like with with rounds fired,
Yeah, yeah.
with splinters, at the
Yeah.
end of the day, आपको अपने mind को focus बना के रखना चाहिए कि अपनी hope को रखना चाहिए.
Absolutely. Those
You
are
know?
the two greatest things, because the issue is कि people lose hope very fast.
Right.
You should not lose. यानी आप पैसा भी कमा लोगे, आप लाइफ से भी फाइट बैक कर लोगे, आप अगर किसी चीज में नीचे चले गए हो आप वहां से भी उठ जाओगे. बट इफ यू हैव लॉस्ट होप, if you have lost the will to survive, then how will you do it? So lesson learned is that whatever the situation is, when you have been given this life and this opportunity, why not make most of it? Because मरना और जीना तो यानी every somebody has to die, somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. That is a thing which we don't control, which is being controlled by someone else. But then at least we should fight back. That is what it is. Yeah.
Also, one of the things that I've been heard that I hear a lot is the camaraderie between the team, between
The
fellow
teammates.
soldiers.
Yeah.
And how does that work? You know, when you're in a combat situation, if someone has been injured, or if you have to take a decision to leave someone behind, or, you know, to lose a fellow, soldier. So, as a commander, how do you make that decision?
सबसे important चीज है कि we leave no one behind. Even if it's a dead guy, even if our brother has been